In today's video, I'm going to teach you a little bit about geometry, and what we're going to cover today is figuring out the internal angles of a triangle. So if we have this that says, what is the measure of the missing angle? And we could see we have a triangle here. The measure of this is 88 degrees, 40 degrees, and here's the missing angle. So first thing to know is the sum of the interior angle measures of a triangle is 180 degrees. So now we can set the sum of the interior angles of the triangle to 180 and then solve for the missing angle. So that's a lot of words, but let's just look at what that means. It just means that this angle plus this angle plus this angle equals 180 degrees. So we're trying to solve for this missing angle. So now we could just combine these like terms, right? We could just add 88 plus 40. That equals 128. Now we can subtract 128 degrees from both sides so that we could get this question mark on its own. So when we subtract 128 plus 128, this goes away. And then we take 180 minus 128 and we're left with 52 degrees. So question mark is 52 degrees. The missing angle is 52. So that's all there is to that problem, and don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this video. You can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, there's links there to other videos of mine that are similar to this. If you need extra help, you could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.